Hey guys, it's time to do a speed test between the Samsung C5 Pro versus the Samsung S6 Edge, and the S6 Edge is having, of course, it has the best phone of 2015 versus the mid-range phone from Samsung from 2017. The C5 Pro 4GB RAM versus the 3GB RAM and internals, and this having Samsung Exynos 7420 versus a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 along with 4GB RAM. So let's see the speed. Here we go. And you can see logo came first on the C5 Pro. And you can see S6 Edge is faster in 2018, and the C5 Pro is also done. So let's quickly unlock. Let's increase the brightness. So everything is closed up in the background. So let's start some applications like always. Phone dialer, and you can see S6 Edge is faster. I mean the S4 and the S6 Edge is having a 2-year-old phone. So let's open system-based application, another, and that was about the same on both phones. So let's open another application, and you can see again about the same. So let's open some games applications, and this weird both phones having same speed, and you can see S6 Edge is faster. And the C5 Pro is also done, about 4 or 5 second difference. Let's open another game application, and the Android Nougat on both phones. The Android 8.0 Oreo is, and you can see this time that was about the same on both phones. So last opening up the camera, here we go, and that was about the same. And you can see camera UI is very similar on both phones. So let's open another applications and show you guys what is the actual speed. So let's open Samsung Music on both phones, and I think the S6 Edge is faster. So let's open my files, and that was about the same. So let's open internet on both phones, internet browser on both phones, and let's see the speed. I have launched internet on both phones. So let's see the speed in this website, wikipedia.org, and you can see both phones having work on the website. And you can see C5 Pro is faster, but the S6 Edge is not load, and it is also done. So let's launch another website. Let's launch another website, facebook.com, and you can see C5 Pro is again faster in internet browser website, and but the S6 Edge is work. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. So 4 GB RAM on the C5 Pro versus a 3 GB RAM on the S6 Edge, and you can see no refresh at a time. Calculator, game, Samsung Music, and I think the both phones having refresh in this application. So let's open my files. So last opening up the internet browser. So amazing speed on both phones. Overall I have to say both phones having a same speed in apps opening, and the RAM management is also same, and the internet speed is faster on the C5 Pro because it has a new phone, and I mean the S6 Edge is not a fast phone compared to the C5 Pro because both phones having a same internals, I think. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.